So I got one more ratio problem. Yes, question?
If you don't mind, could you send another PDF through the email again for this session today?
Yeah, sure. Just at the end of class, like the last 2 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and just ask for everybody who wants me to send this, so then I can just like send it in the spot.
Cool.
Cool. All right, so I got this one for you guys. So there are both cars and trucks on the dealer cart on the dealer's car lot. The ratio of trucks to car is 2:9. If there are a total of 26 trucks, how many cars are there? So first of all, this 2, does it correspond to trucks or cars?
Cars.
Trucks.
Oh,
It's truck.
we got 2 different answers. So it's going to be trucks, because remember, the order of the words follows the order of the numbers. So the first word is trucks, so this has to be trucks, which means that this 9 is for the cars. Okay. Now it says, there are a total of 26 trucks. How many cars are there? So you're gonna have 2 categories. You got trucks, you got cars. You have the ones like in the dealer, and you have the ones on the ratio. So what number goes here?
26.
Very good, 26, because there's 26 trucks in the dealer. What number goes here?
Question mark.
Question mark, because we have no idea how many cars are in the dealer. That's what we're looking for. Okay, what goes here?
2.
2, very good, because there are 2 trucks on the ratio. And finally, what goes here?
11.
Not 11. But why is it not 11?
Because you're looking for the how many trucks? They're gonna be 9 or
Well, there's 2 trucks for every 9 cars. So if the category here is cars in the ratio, then you're not gonna put 11 because you're not looking for the total. You're just looking for the cars in the ratio, which is 9.
9. Okay, okay.
If it had said like total, then yes, it would have been 11. Okay, so now what am I going to multiply?
26 for 9.
Very good. And then that's going to get divided by 2. So the cars are going to equal to 26 times 9. And all of that is divided by 2. So we got 26 times 9. 6 times 9 is going to give me a 54. 2 times 9 is 18 plus 5 is 23. So I'm going to have 234 divided by 2. And again, take the top and divide it by the bottom. So what is that going to be?
117.
117. All right, I'm just going to double check.
Okay, yeah, double check.
I trust you, but I'm also going to
first.
double. Also, don't feel bad if you ever see that I make a mistake. I literally make mistakes 24/7. So if my math is wrong, just forgive me. It's late in the day, so my math gets a little crazy. Right, so that's 2, that's 1. Yeah, 117. So the total number of cars is going to equal 117. There you go. All right. Questions, any step that confuses you, anything that you're like, I don't get this, I'm getting lost.
The only thing that confuses me is setting it up. Like sometimes I don't know where the numbers goes.
That's why, like, okay, so that's honestly the number one thing that everyone always struggles with. So that's why I always write my categories first, so that I kind of know, like, okay, here is trucks, dealer. Look for the number of trucks in the dealer. Here is trucks, ratio. How many trucks in the ratio? So that's why it helps me to kind of write it that way so that I can literally see what that number is supposed to be. Okay. All right. I'm pretty sure those are all the ratio ones I have. Yeah, so I did 3 ratio ones. Do you need
We
me to
can
do
do
another
one
one?
more for make
Okay.
sure.
I was literally gonna ask you if you wanted one more. But yes, let me just get it really quick. I'll just get it really quick. Where is my thingy, my beaver? Ah, yeah.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Sometimes I see those ratios problems, and there's like fractions in there.
Yeah. Sometimes
Mhm.
ratios have fractions.
Is there like a problem that has that, like fractions?
Well, remember that ratios can be represented as fractions, so it might just be that the fraction is the ratio.
Oh,
Oh, can you explain one more time why it was 2/9 instead of 2/11?
Yeah. The reason why is because this number, so then where the 9 is located, it had to represent the number of cars from the ratio. So if you go back to your ratio, it said that you had 9 cars. So that's why here it had to be 9. Had it said like the total from the ratio, then it would have been 11.
Okay.
Where's my question? Oh, okay. Let me just put it right here. I think my ghost is messing with my lights. I have a ghost, guys. But he's like a Casper ghost. Like he's a friendly ghost. He's not like a creepy conjuring Annabelle situation ghost. He's a nice ghost. He likes to knock over stuff though. Kind of annoying. People think I'm kidding, and then they show up and they're like, yo, your door's opening by itself. And I'm like, yeah, I know.
oh no.
It is what it is. The rent is too cheap to leave just because of the ghost. So. All right, guys. So here we have another one. I'll let you guys give it a try on your own first, and then we can do it together. So I'm going to give you like 2 minutes to try it on your own first, and then we can take a look at it together. Remember, setting up your categories is really good to kind of help you organize what numbers you need.
So in this one, the total gonna be 26 points.
Mm-hmm.
And the total of the bill gonna be 5. And the total of the coin gonna be 2. Something like that.
Something like that, yeah.
Okay.
Just make sure to set up, like make sure you write the numbers in the right place. Like you're using all the right numbers, just make sure you put them in the right place.
Okay, let me double check.
Okay. All right, are we ready to go over it?
Yeah, they're gonna be 65, I guess.
65, do we all agree with 65? Anybody who's like, what the heck, I did not get 65?
I guess so.
Yeah,
So I put the
65
right
is
number, gonna be 65. I don't
Okay,
know.
good. Yes, it is indeed 65. So your proportion might look a little bit different than mine, but that's okay. The idea is that you put the numbers in the right place. So you should have more or less a proportion where you're dealing with the coins in the bag to the ratio. So you multiply 26 times 5 divided by 2, and you end up with 65 bills in the bag. So you guys got it. Good. I feel
Can you leave this up here for a quick second if I can copy it now?
I will leave it up there for you for a quick 10 seconds if you need it.
Perfect.
Remember, I can also send it to you like the PDF later on, but it's fine if you want to write it down now. I don't have a problem with it.